Today I'm going to walk through two different ways to insert images into a document on Scribus. So the first way is the easier of the two ways. You're going to go to Insert and go to Insert Image Frame. Going to make the image frame the size you want your image to be. You'll know it's ready to take an image when you see this X in here. That'll be important for the second way I show you as well. So then I'm just going to simply double click within this X, and it's going to pop up an image to insert. So I've put them on my desktop so it's easier to find. So I'm going to insert this coin, and it inserts. You'll notice right away that the coin, this image, is the full image resolution, and so it doesn't all fit in this frame. So you're going to hit Control, and then you have two options. The first, which I wouldn't recommend, and I'll show why, is to click Adjust Frame to Image. If I click this, it's going to give me the full-sized image, which, as you see, is bigger than my document page. So I'm going to undo that, and instead, I'm going to choose Adjust Image to Frame. So this will make my image smaller to fit the size of the frame. Now you'll notice that the frame I created, the image has this kind of blank spot here. And so to adjust that now, I'm going to go Adjust Frame to Image. So that'll clear it up, so then I have an image here. So if I need it to be bigger, I can resize it now. And then again, Adjust Frame to Image. So that's the easier of the two ways. The second allows you a few more options. So if I click Insert Shape, I can find a shape. So let's say I want a circle because this coin is circular. So I'll have a circle there, but you'll notice I don't have that X indicating that I'm ready to insert an image. So I'm gonna click Convert to Image Frame. So now you'll see I have this X, so it's ready to take an image. I double click. I'll pick the same image. Again, I'm going to have an image that's larger in resolution than this frame. So then I'm going to click Adjust Image to Frame. And then again, I'm going to click Adjust Frame to Image. So now I have a circular shape that looks better than this kind of these corners on this square one. So those are the two ways to insert images into Scribus. The second option has a few more steps, but allows you to choose different shapes, like an arrow, a puzzle piece, or even to freehand draw an image and polygon to meet your needs. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching.